wrapping up Victoria. The weather unfortunately looks pretty crappy all weekend, but that's fine. We don't care. We are just gonna knit and relax and watch movies, drink wine, and it's gonna be so great. I am so excited. Victoria and I, we were messaging on Instagram and we started sending each other like those Instagram video messages. Like, I think one of us was having trouble with a pattern or something, and it was just easier to like video back and forth to explain it to the other one. And then I had gotten on the Marco Polo app to chat with a different group of friends, and I saw that she was on there, and then we were Marco Poloing on there just like every now and then it just gradually became every day, and we weren't talking about just sewing stuff anymore. It was like general life stuff, and now we're gonna meet each other in real life, and I'm so excited. Okay, I'm in the airport, and I went ahead and parked because I had to pee. And I'm looking for Victoria's. I see your cardigan! Goodness. I was trying to do a video, but you are so... I got her! She's here! Hi! Hi! What are we doing? What section are we in?
The favorite part of the store, obviously. Is there another
shopping for wine? We have 2 bottles. We're gonna get one more.
And chocolate.
And chocolate. Here's our cute B&B. Oh, and welcome Amy and Victoria. Our little
So
kitchenette.
special.
We're gonna be watching lots of movies here. We have plenty to drink.
Yes. Workout clothes.
Cute little bathroom. Yes, we are gonna work out and be fit.
Sit and be fit.
Drink and be fit.
Are we ready?
Victoria's tasting beer. First time in a long time. It's actually a cider, so it's never. She's cheating. But it's
Cheating. I'm gonna taste yours.
fine. You don't swirl it like.
That's good.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay, I need yours.
Thank you. This one's more beery. I don't know if you're gonna like it.
Sorry, I'm just breathing all over it. Super sanitary.
Okay, she's vaccinated, everybody.
That's not bad.
Not bad.
No, I like it. It's good. I don't know. I like it. I don't know if I would mind the whole glass. It's not bad. It's very refreshing. Yeah, it's not gross like I thought it was going to be.
Not gross. That's the verdict.
Oh.
Hi, Amy. We're at a winery. It's so pretty. Love it.
Thank you.
5 years.
Now you are.
We found a yarn store. Is anyone surprised? I'm getting needles. Victoria's looking up a new project to start because she desperately needs a new project. She has no yarn or projects. She's a knitter without a project. Whatever is she gonna do? Thank God we found a yarn store.
Tea time.
super spicy chai. Here we are.
Say hello.
Oh, hi. Oh, now you're doing better than me.
It's okay.
Victoria's trying beer. She likes it. I'm trying to convert her.
I do like it. Oh, it's good.
It's a sour. We're at a really cute outdoor place with a heater.
Heater is very necessary.
Yum. Video footage of our bedtime picnic.
I'm concentrating. I'm in the kitchen right now, making a delicious
Cheese, blueberries, popcorn, chocolate, toast, and
And a smile.
and
ding ding ding.
wine.
Yeah, we don't need anything else. All our meat. It's a little.
Don't worry about a thing. I know it feel right. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. I just wanna let it go for tonight. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Nothing on my mind, but I'm so cool and I'm so beauty. I love
We're off. Another day of shopping and walking around and touching things.
Yes.
And we're gonna go back for lunch because we have too much. We bought too many groceries and we haven't eaten any of them.
We have to eat them all. Lots of cheese.
We found a fabric store.
Yes.
It's all quilting. These are actually really cute prints.
They are cute. I like this one.
Ooh, yes.
Those are good.
This is so cool. Jody's gonna freak out.
Back in the yarn store. Someone had to come back. So this time we're actually getting yarn. Cheers! How's it going over there?
So fabulous.
Is this your first time opening a wine bottle?
Nope, just not with this thing. It's like gonna come out the edge. Look at it.
Oh no.
And then I'm gonna have to like dig out the cork piece by piece with my knife because I'll need it.
Rookie wine drinker over here.
Oh!
Reusable and genuinely nice. It shouldn't be allowed. It's like just
Lunchtime. late. Well, we already ate lunch. Let's be honest. Appetite. Happy hour.
Yeah.
It's happy hour.
Happy hour. Woo.
After blood.
Victoria, do you want to explain what's happening on our table right now?
Oh, it's just some food that's gonna be here for about 5 seconds until it's in my belly.
There's two.
2 desserts.
I mean, there are 2 people.
Right. It's totally normal.
There's 2 of us. These are huge.
We got this. Let's do it.
That happened. We're on the way to the airport. What's your favorite thing that happened this weekend, Victoria?
You know I want to sing the song now. Raindrops on no. Oh, I don't know. The yarn shop.
Oh, yes.
And buying this top.
She has proof. Oh, the top is so good.
It makes me so happy.
My favorite thing was just walking around in all the shops.
Yes.
Our Emily in Paris marathon.
Oh yeah. That was great.
And knitting.
Yes. Working out. It was also fun.
And all the food we ate.
And all the food. And the fact that we split everything all weekend. The only thing we ordered separately were drinks, and even that was shared.
Yes.
Soups, because we both wanted
Because we both
our
wanted
own
to
soup.
soup. Yeah. And my favorite thing is that it didn't rain on us.
Oh my gosh, that was great, because it was supposed to.
It was gonna be poopy, and it wasn't.
It wasn't poopy.
So, successful weekend.
Yay!
And now she's leaving.
And now I'm leaving. I have a bunch of littles, and you have some littles.
I have some little fuzzies.
Little
to get back
fuzzies.
to.
They miss
Victoria
it.
may or may not be able to be allowed to take her suitcase on the plane.
I'm carrying a lot of stuff on the plane because I decided to buy heavy things. It's okay, I'll carry it.